Uncle Mud here in the red shed at Wheaton Labs.
Pretty much.
And remember when we put this thing in, we put in a rocket heater that was only 4 inches, and that didn't work. In fact, it was just so small that it didn't provide enough heat to heat this building through the night in the middle of the winter. So this nice mass bench here that we made with 4-inch pipes running all the way down there and then all the way back here and then all the way up here was a great theory. Didn't work. In fact, it didn't pull so much that we got a little bit of soot in there. And so we have a different builder, a different burner. We've got the Gamera rocket heater from Bulgaria that we're going to test in here. The Tiny, but it's a little bit bigger than the previous rocket heater. And we're going to install a new kind of heat exchanger in here. But we got to take this stuff out first and then put it back in. But 4 inches was too small, and the 5-inch, we only had a little bit of the 5-inch pipe, so we had to go with a concentric sort of a thing. But I'll explain that as we're sticking it in here. Stay tuned for more. UncleMud.com.